Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to stop applications from accessing our body sensor in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To stop applications from using our body sensors, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for security and privacy options here, and under privacy we have permission manager. Right of now, there are 0 out of 2 applications allowed to use our body sensors. So if the application is allowed to use our sensors, we can stop it from this menu right here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.